So hello, I'm Jane Arnold. I am the head of Global Process Control Technology for Covestra. So Covestra is a chemical manufacturing company. We're a leading supplier in polymers. And in 2017, we had $14 billion in sales. We have over 30 production plants globally, and we focus primarily on polyurethanes, plastics, and coatings. Our products end up in industries of construction and automobile, as well as some cosmetics and personal use items. Covestra has a very broad look at how we're doing the digital transformation. And within chemical manufacturing, which falls in my area, we're looking at not only improving automation end-to-end supply chain, but also making improvements in predictive maintenance. Within our process data, and we use data PyHistorian, and we're trying to harmonize all of the data points into a single server. So when we use our predictive analytics software like Prism that Aviva offers, then we only have one platform in which to install it on. Prism was actually the software that convinced me that machine learning was real, and it worked. And I'm a mathematician, and so to see the algorithms behind the software helped sell the idea behind it. In my area of digitalization and manufacturing, with each project we do, we see usually a low double-digit improvement on energy usage, waste reduction, and even throughput. And with that leads to less downtime or unplanned downtime, which means that your safety issues are going to reduce in number. My vision for the future is that we have basically a data model for everything, where eventually the operators will be given information that is like a hint. You know, if you lower your rates to 75% and schedule an outage in 3 months, then you'll need to take care of this heat exchanger and those sort of things to try and be more intelligent with the decisions that we make in the moment.